In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a time freeze frame effect in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Drag the video clip onto the timeline in Adobe Premiere Pro CC that you would like to create the time freeze effect. And then play the video or clip. And let's say we want to create a time freeze frame right here. So I pause the video and then I'm going to add a cut, C on the keyboard. And then with the video clip selected, we're going to duplicate it by clicking on it and holding down Alt and then drag up so it duplicates. Say we want to time freeze this part of the video clip. So in this case, we'll add a cut and then the video, and then basically you just duplicated it by holding down Alt and dragging it up. And then you want to right click and then click Add Frame Hold, which is below Frame Hold Options and above Insert Frame Hold Segment. And this is what this is going to look like. And if you are happy or satisfied with that, you can click and see or add a cut and then delete and then duplicate the video layer. And if we have the original video layer, this is the before. And this is the after. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.